Maybe it's the weather, or maybe it's breaking through to new levels and experiencing change. But recently, the loneliness that comes with being a content creator has hit me pretty hard. I've been making Thai cooking videos this month, and memories of my time in Bangkok keep rushing back to me. Our Airbnb host, Asma, showed us the real definition of hospitality, and these memories are giving me comfort. The Airbnb was tucked in a local neighborhood where everyone seemed to know one another. Asma and her family run a restaurant across the street, and she served us a 3-course breakfast every single morning of our stay. From papaya salad to pan-fried yellow curry, a dish I fell in love with and had almost every single morning. To Thai tea, tropical fruits, and sticky rice treats. Every morning, Asma would introduce us to her neighbors and treat us to one of the specialty dishes that they make at their shop. One morning, Asma insisted we eat at Grandma's shop. She served rice noodles and a braised pork broth. The grandma didn't pay much attention to us as we ate right in front of her, but we felt the love with each bite. It kind of felt like we were her grandchildren. I remember telling Asma how much I love durian, and on the night we were supposed to leave, she bought us durian popsicles. We were in a rush and unfortunately didn't get to eat it. But I was, and still am, very grateful for Asma's hospitality. Pan-fried yellow curry.